he's pulled over, and I think they were stopping to see if he was, oh no, there's a shit ton of elephants, holy shit. Looks pretty big and aggressive, but I don't know, look at what they're doing with the dust up. There's 3 males. I'd get ready to like turn around. I can't turn around. Watch out. See it?
Okay, we're double checking the tube and the stream.
You see the stream of bubbles? It's a new leak. It's a new one.
Okay, well maybe we should have double checked to make sure there was only one poke the first time. Oh well. So let's just put the new tube in and then we'll patch this one again tomorrow. Is that another one down there? We are here at Kili Springs Campground. It's very nice out. We got our little camp set up. We're just in the courtyard basically, and they put out this nice table over here for us in the shade. We got in at about 7:30 or 7:40 and then just had dinner and set up tent and basically went to sleep. We were pretty tired. We ended up riding 8 hours yesterday, so it was a long day. I'm pretty hot. Now we're just getting everything sorted. Ethan is working on his battery because his battery is not charging and we don't know what the problem is. What we think is the battery is not connected to the stator properly, so it's not getting recharged by the bike when it's running. Everything is connected to the battery, which is what we want, so pretty much everything on the bike is DC, but we want the battery to be AC so that it's recharged. And my bike is like that, and it had some issues before, but it was basically just not grounded correctly. So my bike's working, which is great, but now Ethan's bike has an electrical problem. So hopefully we'll get that sorted.
And a flat tire.
And Ethan also has a flat tire this morning. Yeah, we went through a lot of acacia trees. So this is what we have. This is how they are. They're very big thorns. So that's pretty much what we're doing today. We talked with a few of the workers here, just learned about campsite and how they started it. They started out by hosting some students who were working on an NGO project, and then slowly started to like build more permanent tents and get more people to come. And it's grown through the years, and it's a really nice place. Everyone is so nice here. And it's beautiful. It's also like very lush, which is nice because it's probably 80 degrees out right now.
And it's also all inclusive, which is kind of cool. So we showed up with 0 food, a can of tuna and some crackers. And we always have something like that just in case we can't find anything, but it's all inclusive. So we get 3 meals a day. Yeah. So it's just like a cruise ship. We're going to load up at the trough, just like, you know, a good American, and eat our way through this place. And then we'll go back to our normal fasting of 2 meals a day.
Hopefully we're going to go ride around Amboseli tomorrow. There's basically a road that circumnavigates it. So we might ride that and see if we see any animals. So that's our game plan. Maybe see if we can come up with a good route.
Here's how we organize the parts.
Here's our parts organized.
We just dump them into the side plate and look for something that actually connects together. Like I'm looking for a nut and a bolt.
A little treasure hunt.
Yeah, of course nothing seems to be the right size.
We'll find something. Okay, we'll tune back in later and give you an update.
Back working on the bike. You don't want to have the DC system grounded to the frame. I took all the grounds that were ground here and I just made it a ground that is only going to the battery. I let it run for 10-15 minutes and all of a sudden everything seemed to start working. The lights came on and brightly. You can hear the fan actually, which is good. Thumper jockeys, very bright. The phone is even charging for a change, which is fantastic. The horn hasn't worked yet. Well, actually it is working. I guess that, I'm gonna do that again because the horn never works. Okay, wow, things are looking up. Now it's on to flat repair.
So Ethan's double checking the battery and I'm now removing all of the thorns from the tires. There's so many, it's ridiculous. Most of the time they're like just little ones that you kind of have to dig out. But you can't tell how big they are until you pull them out, obviously. And then occasionally there's bigger ones, kind of like this. Looks harmless, but you never know if it's gonna explode your tire. So we're gonna try to get most of them out.
Oh yeah, it's huge.
Really?
It's this long.
Really?
It's that long.
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
I'll get pliers.
I might have to pull the tire off.
Oh, you got it.
No, it broke off. It's in there.
Really? Damn, that is big.
Yeah, it's good.
So maybe we have to get the tire off.
Well, are you sure? Can
Yeah,
you
it's still,
feel it?
it's still, yeah, it's still poking.
Yeah.
Then it's gone.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now it's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
We'll push it a little more.
Yeah. It's gone.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
No to
We
be.
don't need that anymore.
Currently, rim locks are out of date.
It's like for older tires.
Yeah.
Spin
Mhm.
on the rim.
Yep.
It stops it, and so then the valve doesn't break.
Oh yeah.
It's either right here or it's right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
I have some alcohol,
Okay.
not the banana beer.
Yeah.
Just the hand sanitizer. Just like, yeah, just get real clean. Which one do you think I should put on?
I like these.
Yeah, I
Maybe
think we only have one more of those.
Oh.
We have a bunch of those. Now I'm gonna do one more thing though. I'm gonna take 2 pieces of this wood.
You clamping it?
Yeah.
Okay, and just let it.
And then let it just sit and we'll like just drink tea.
Yeah, let's have some tea. Okay, now we're checking the tube
It's not
in the river.
It didn't pass.
Did not pass.
Look. It's tire time again. Both of these tires had numerous punctures in them. Let's take a stroll down to the river because I need to test these tires. Here's another little cabina. There's our bathroom and shower in the distance.
What are you doing? He was just sitting right here.
So I'm just gonna go dunk these tires to see if I think we did 4 patches yesterday over this little wall. Obviously the river must get somewhat big if they built this wall. Yeah, so there's 3 patches right there. Okay, and then here's the deep spot. And we're gonna see what happens again. Looks pretty good. Don't see any bubbles. Tire number 2, and there's 2 patches on this guy. Dunk this guy and see what happens. Ooh, not good. So this one will go in, and that one will get repaired again.
All right, 4 tube patches later, we're putting the tire back in. We pumped it up and it's been holding air, so fingers crossed nothing happens.
And we didn't put the
Oh, we didn't put the rim lock in.
rim lock back in. It's kind of a polarizing topic. It's kind of like oil. They might help if you have to ride on a flat tire, as we have, because then it will hold the valve stem in place so it doesn't rip out. Because we have had that situation, haven't we?
Yeah,
We've left the back ones in, front ones are out on both bikes.
yeah.
These bikes do have a lot of torque. It could be one of those things where they're not as necessary for the front. On the highway, if you grabbed a ton of front brake, I'm sure you could possibly spin the wheel independently of the tire. But on off-road, I don't see that really happening. So we'll see. Leave some comments on what do you guys think about rim locks. Just give it a little gas.
I think, yeah, I should just gas it.
I think if you don't use the choke, so basically if it's hot later in the day, you probably don't need a choke, but you might need a little gas. There you go.
God, my bike is so loud, it's like kind of hard to hear you.
I wouldn't be surprised if we do end up at that hotel and we were just totally turned around in the dark.
Yeah, it's true. It is confusing in the dark.
It was a huge market.
Yeah.
We come through. We did come through here, right?
Yeah, I think we did, yeah.
Couple goats for cheap.
Benjamin was saying they sell livestock like every day. Man, it's so busy for Tuesday, I feel like. But I guess
It's hectic
like,
here. In the bar or the restaurant? Which one is faster? Okay, cool. Fantastic. Okay, we're gonna get some drinks. Thank you. But you don't even think, but you should probably actually watch out for animals. Like even right now, you could have an elephant go by.
it's Kilimanjaro.
Babe, watch the road.
I know. I had to get a quick clip. I mean, that's the best view we've ever seen of Kili. It is huge. I just can't believe how wide it is. Wow.
Very pretty.
You're 100.
Oh, I just stalled it.
Oh no. Wow. Pretty beautiful.
Jumbo,
Jumbo.
on your right.
Oh. Ethan. terrorizing.
Jumbo!
You think you're dusting everybody. Dumbo!
Just you.
Dumbo. Well, we found some Wi-Fi. It only took 3.5 hours to upload a 15-minute video. Service cars in Africa. Bikes feel really nice. They handle really well. Hey!
Oh, this is the best time to ride.
I know, it's so nice. It was so hot earlier.
Benjamin, 16 kids, and beside when it gets the grain, I think it's better to go all the way.
Yeah, and tear
Go slow.
around.
I go through. That's good.
Home again, home again. All right, it's an early morning wake up. We're just a little behind schedule. It's like 6:20. But we're about to ride to the Kamana Gate at Amboseli National Park. And hopefully we'll see some wildlife along the way. It is a bit cloudy, so I don't think we're going to see Kilimanjaro, but we did get to see it last night, which was nice. I saw Benjamin this morning, and I said, I don't think we're going to see Kilimanjaro, and he said, it's a very shy mountain.
Yeah, no Kilimanjaro this morning. It's funny, these bikes just feel completely a different motorcycle.
I know.
It's like they're almost harder to ride in some ways.
I know, I think so too. They don't feel like as glued to the ground.
Yeah, they feel so planted with the bags on.
I know, they're almost like
Now they feel
too light.
I mean, they feel so much lighter that it feels like a mountain bike.
Dumbo. I like how all the kids all like walk to school.
Yeah, it's cool. Wow, it's really cool. I mean, even if we don't see anything, it's pretty beautiful. Just take a morning ride. Got some zebras.
Zebras? You thought they were donkeys. They always look so muscular. They're like, what are they? Remember the donkeys in Namibia, huh?
Yeah, I do. That's pretty cool.
I wonder, like, how fast they can run. He's pulled over, and I think they were stopping to see if he was, oh no, there's a shit ton of elephants. Holy shit. Damn. Wow. Whoa. Wow. They're amazing. Okay, I want to take some pictures. Maybe just keep an eye in the mirror. Do you think I could just get off my bike?
Yeah.
What?
Not really.
Really?
It's like I would turn off the bike, but if anything comes out from any direction, I want to be able to go.
Yeah. Well, watch my back, because I can't just go. He is massive.
I don't know. Like, we need to be careful, though. Here, why don't you ride up over on this side of the lane?
Oh, my goodness.
He's a biggie.
Gosh, he's huge.
I don't know, babe. I don't think we should, like, this guy's so big, and this dust is so
He is
huge.
massive.
I don't think we should necessarily, I think we should go and come back.
Turn your light off.
Don't turn off your bike.
No, God, you scared me, Liv. Don't startle so much. I said I'm turning my camera off. Land up. Jesus. He's freaking out. I think he's, like, jumping around.
Let's go and come back.
Okay.
Babe, I thought you totally were, like, going to turn your bike off. I was like, if he turns.
I didn't realize how, like, rare it is to see a cheetah. It seems like lions actually are not quite so rare, but cheetahs and leopards are, like, really hard to see.
Yeah. Well, the leopards are in the trees, and the cheetahs...
I think the cheetahs are just, like, low population.
I think so. There's some way out in the fields, too. There's a ton of elephants around. There's definitely an intensity about it, huh? You can feel your heart rate elevate a little bit when there's an elephant. Until when they start to flap their ears, they're getting a little irritated. And when they start to throw dust on themselves. Okay, here he goes. How are you doing on the pics?
Doing good.
I don't want to irritate him too much.
Okay. I wonder what happened to his tusks. He is big.
They just watch you like crazy.
I know. They just stare you down. Whoa, there's a whole herd back there.
Yeah.
There's a ton.
Keep it going. Okay, we're coming up to the Kumani Gate at Amboseli, and we're just going to go up and turn around. They're probably like, here comes bikers. So let's go up and then wave.
Kibo Safari Camp. So this is like that main road. Should we just go down here?
Sure. Maybe we should. I don't know if it's cool or not.
Oh, really?
I don't know. Is it?
Well, I don't think this is inside the gate. This is like paralleling it.
Good. They must be seeing something else. Why would they?
I know. There's definitely an elephant up here. Oh, no, I think it's just baboons in the trees.
I don't want to disturb their wildlife experience. So
Yeah.
I just keep going.
There's like a bird on his mouth. Just chilling.
Oh.
Is there a couple?
There's another one behind here,
Oh.
behind this tree over here. Remember these things?
Oh, yeah.
These things run 40 miles an hour.
Dang. It's really pretty out. Some zebras back there. Beautiful. It's so funny, all these guys, workers, like, walking to the park. They just walk by these elephants every day. I mean, look at how big those bulls out there. I know. They look huge. There's a ton of them.
That's a big tusk.
Yeah.
And it's a broken off tusk.
I know.
That's a big, big one.
I know.
Uh-oh.
You think it's okay?
I don't know. He looks pretty big and aggressive, but let's just be respectful.
Yeah.
Okay, now he's up against a fence, so we need to be very wary of this.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? He could turn and be ready to rip off.
Oh, wow. These guys are crossing over.
Oh, shit. Okay. Well, I'd stop.
Yeah.
I would absolutely stop. Yeah.
Well, now they've stopped.
I know. Well, I'd get ready to, like, turn around.
Really? I can't turn around. I'm going downhill. I mean, I'm going to have to, like, get off my bike.
I don't know. Look at what they're doing with the dust and stuff. There's 3 males.
Okay, well, I don't really know what to do.
Why don't you just turn around? Just turn around.
Okay.
Right now. Just do it slow. You're fine. You're totally fine.
Oh, you're scaring me.
No, you're fine. Don't go any further. Now go backwards.
I can't go backwards, hon. I'm downhill.
Let me help.
I don't like not being able to see them.
No, you're fine. I can see. Because you don't want to wash out your front.
You think I will?
No. But, well, yeah. I mean, you're getting a little too close to that.
Okay, now I'm fine.
All right. I say we go the other way for a minute and let these guys figure their route out. Because, like, I don't want to pin these 3 males against this tree.
Yeah.
Or against the fence.
Oh, that made me lose all confidence.
Let's just do a little
now they're crossing.
I know, because they're going over.
I'm going to just turn around here. I don't know why my bike's so hard to turn.
It's because your rake's just, it's a little different. I mean, mine barely does it. I don't know. Like, they're not really
moving.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really want to. Yeah, well, oh, no, they're going. Okay, I mean, do you want me to get in front? Just take a couple pics?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to come over here.
I'll make closer. Because, like, they're like, they don't like us. See, look, now they're, like, turned. They're 3 big males.
Uh-oh, now I'm in the same position.
No, I know.
Okay, so what do you want to do? Go back again?
No, do you want to just take a picture of me?
Well, I don't know. I keep getting freaked out from all the shit you're saying.
Let's just take a deep breath.
Well, stop scaring me.
You want to just pass them slowly?
I mean, I don't know. Can we?
There's 3 right here on the road. Is it okay to pass? Just go slow.
Okay. Oh, there he goes.
Okay, we'll follow you. We just went to the gate, and now we're going back.
Oh, shit, my bike just stalled.
Ethan. Yeah. What's your name? Yeah. Andrew. Oh, my middle name is Andrew. Yeah. Nice to meet you. We'll follow you.
My bike quit.
Oh.
Wait, I got it. No, I got it. Go ahead.
I think it's only like when you stop.
I think so, too. I think you just have to keep going if they're fine.
Oh, by the way, there's Kilimanjaro.
Oh, my gosh, it opened up.
Yeah.
Oh, here they are now. Wow. It's pretty insane.
Picture.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's better to have let them pass.
Watch out.
Scared the shit out of me.
Sorry, Pomp. I didn't mean to startle you, but the car was coming by.
It's okay. Just stop my car.
Pomp, I'm going to come give you a hug. It's so hard. It's a hard morning for Pomp.
I'm on edge.
Babe, we scored.
I know.
I feel like Kilimanjaro's going to come out. Oh, wait, it is.
I know.